right, it's move day. We scored this amazing private spot where we can go stay up at the lake for about a month. So we're headed up there now.
I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go find your own way.
You got it. You got it. It's nice, right?
It'll work. It's cold.
It is chilly. Welcome to our humble abode in the mountains. As you know, we had spent a month in Durango and really loved the area. Thought maybe we would start searching for a house or a piece of land to purchase here in the area. And we came up last week to the lake to go supboarding and loved it. We made a connection here who lives in an HOA that has a guest RV spot. So we took the chance and we reserved it for the next month. So we look forward to showing you around the Vallecito Reservoir area for the next few weeks. And I'll just give you a quick tour of our sweet full hookup spot that we scored for only $375 a month. Full hookups. Haven't had those in a while. It's pretty sweet. Since we're going to be here a while, we got our patio all set up. We have our grill out. We're really making ourselves at home. And this is our beautiful view.
Welcome to the neighborhood that we would love to call home. We are deciding on 3 different homes in this area that are in the price range and kind of suit the bus and us. So let's go take a look at them and see which one will be best for us.
We're going to take a little bike tour of the neighborhood. And you want to fill people in on maybe why land didn't work out for us?
Land up here is too expensive for us to just buy for cash. So with the amount of money that we had to put down, we definitely needed to do financing. And with financing, we ran into roadblocks where it needed to have utilities connected. And to connect to sewer here, it's about 11 grand. And
Minimum.
A minimum, and the lots are not already connected to the sewer. So it was just gray tape or gray area that we didn't feel like that it was worth pursuing, and a house just seemed easier. So that's what we're doing.
All right, let's go.
Well, that's our top 3 that we have picked out, so we are gonna probably choose one of those. So why don't you help us choose and comment in the comment section below and let us know which one you think would be best for us.